Okay, I just wanted to do a quick little video. I just finished wiring up the main power relay for the ECU, E-Relay 53. This is the one that is now my 109. The 109, like I said before, was plugged into the fuse panel. So I'm using this 53 and this little socket that was attached to the side. And this was the interlock relay for the clutch and the alarm and all that. So what I wanted to show you is how I perceive that the wiring should go. You get the purple, black with purple, go into the red and white, and I connected 30 and 86 together by just stripping a little bit of the sheathing back from the battery voltage wire that does go to 30. I stripped a little bit back, and I took the one that was on the ground, which is 85. I took it and twisted it up and soldered it. So now 86 and 30 are connected together to battery voltage. This black with purple goes to the ECU, and it provides the ground to turn this thing on. And then 87 connects to the blue with the red wire. The big red wire that was on this one connects to the blue with the red, so that whenever it's switched on, it applies switch power to all these black and yellows right here, where those are all put together at. Okay. Then the ground that was in that one, this ground that I cut off, all the grounds, the PCV heater ground, and the grounds, all the ones that were in this G1, it had the two, this G1 connector, had the two brown ones right there, the brown with the white and the brown with the red. I just connected those to ground that runs out to where the battery hooks up. All the grounds are connected together. The wires that were left over from this G1 connector were the green, the black with the green, which is the tachometer. The key switch, that's going to turn the power on to the T68 connector, pin 38. That's going to apply power to the, apply power to the ECU and tell it to turn this main relay on. And you got your tachometer, you got then the speedometer, speed sensor. The white with the blue was also in that one. So those are just separate now. So what we're going to have here to start this thing up is going to be the black wire key switch from the ignition switch, starter circuit that I cut out. It'll be from the original vehicle, the clutch interlock switch. So this is where it goes out to the starter to start the thing. And I just wanted to do an update to show you that in case anybody's confused. I know there's a lot more people that's more educated on all this than I am, but sometimes it just doesn't really click with people, and I wanted to go through what I had figured out and see if it would help anybody else. So I'm taking this 53 relay now, and that's going to be my 109 relay, where those two are connected together, just like it says on that Volkswagen site, where the Alchemist guy, he told how to do that. I did mine just like that.